Hi, Shelly here. Today we're going to take a look at creating a home page in Canvas using buttons. So to get started, I'm here on my home page, and as you can see right now, my home page is just a view of the modules. So we're going to fix that up and make it a little bit more fun and pleasing to the eye when you enter the course. I know that I've always said build in modules, and we're going to break that rule just for this one time. So to build a home page, you're actually just going to go to Pages. And here I'm in the Pages view, so I'm going to click Plus Page. And I'm going to click Home Page. To get started, I have created a banner and some buttons. If you need to see how to do that, check out my previous video on creating your banner and buttons in Canva. So I'm going to go to the menu over here on the side, and I'm going to upload my top banner that I created. So I'm going to come in here. I'm going to type my alt text in here and click upload. So my banner is going to pop in, and I'm going to click on it and center that. And then I'm going to use my right arrow to get to the side of the banner and press my enter or return button to get below it. And now what I'm going to do is add a table so that I can evenly space my buttons out across the page. So I have 3 buttons right now, so I'm just going to make my table 1 cell tall and 3 cells wide. And I'm going to come in here and do the same thing. I'm going to upload and add my buttons. So there's my first button. Now all 3 of my buttons are in the table, so I'm going to just click and center each of those buttons. Notice since I created them, I was able to make them all the same size, so they fit really nicely in here. And I'm also going to click on my table and go back up here to the table menu and go to table properties. And I don't want the box to show, so right here where it says border and it's set at 1 pixel, I'm going to change that to 0, and that'll make my border of my table invisible. So let me save that so you can see what it looks like. The next step that we're going to look at in creating our page is we're going to link each of these buttons. So what I've done is I've created in my modules at the beginning of each week of the module, I created a page with an overview for the week, kind of an agenda of what they're going to be doing in that module. So I'm going to click the first button and link that to the weekly overview for that week. And then I'm going to click the second button, the 13th, and link it to the overview of that week, and the same for the 20th. Okay, now all my buttons are linked and ready to go, so I'm going to save and publish my page. And I'm going to click up here and go to View All Pages. So now there's going to be a step that's involved in getting this ready to put on our front page. So I'm going to go to the little 3-dot menu, and I'm going to click Use as Front Page. And this is just going to make it an option that it can be used as a front page. So now I'm going to go back to my home screen, and you're going to notice that my modules are still there as the home page. So what I need to do now is go over here to the right and click Choose Home Page. And so it's still on modules, but you'll notice now I have an option that says Pages, Front Page, and Home Page, which is the one I just chose. So I'm going to click there and click Save. And now I have my front page set up with my buttons. My buttons work, so if I click on April 6th, it will take them to the weekly overview for April 6th, where you could type in their assignments for the week, and then they can just continue through the module, going through each one of the items that are in this module. And now if you need to edit that home page, add new items to it, add new buttons in the coming weeks, from the home page, you can simply click the edit button and you can edit and add to your home page. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you'll join us next time.